this is Police Chief Darren White from the Mantua Police Department, and I want to share some Halloween safety tips for you. Make sure that young children should never be alone and should have an escort. Make sure you check your child's candy. There is not a razor blade in the Snickers bar thing. That's never been a thing. That's an old wives' tale, but make sure you check it anyway. Make sure they carry a flashlight or have reflective clothing that can be easily seen. Teach your children never to enter a stranger's house or enter a stranger's car. Make sure you know their route and when they'll be home. If they do go out without a parent, make sure they're part of a group. Keep your pets inside while trick-or-treaters are out and about. Make sure props, such as guns and swords, are made of pliable materials so nobody gets hurt. Make sure your kids can actually see out of their masks. Use sidewalks and crosswalks safely. Make sure costumes, wigs, etc. are made of non-flammable material. And most of all, have fun. If you see a Mantua officer, make sure to stop and say hi. We always have lots of treats and goodies to give out on Halloween and like taking pictures with all the costumes. If you see or need police assistance, make sure to call 911 for emergencies or 856-589-0911 for non-emergent police service or 856-468 extension 1461 or 1462 for records related requests. Again, this is Police Chief Darren White, and have a safe and enjoyable Halloween.